Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to upload a custom theme to your BigCommerce store. Uploading a theme helps us change the design and layout of our website, giving our brand a unique and professional look. Let's get started. On the BigCommerce dashboard, to upload the theme, we go to Storefront. On the left side, we find Dashboard. We can see the Storefront section. Click this drop-down and go to Themes. To upload a theme, click this Upload Theme. From here, we select Theme from your computer. Once we have the downloaded theme file, we find it on our computer. Here, we have a sample theme under Examples. Click on the file, then click Open. Make sure to choose the zip file, not the folder. Click on the zip file so it can upload. Let BigCommerce finish uploading the file. Now, our uploaded theme will appear in the list. We use this theme by clicking the three dots next to it. When we click these three dots, we choose Apply. Now the new theme is active on our store. This is how we upload a theme in BigCommerce. Once the new theme is applied, we can customize it more to match our brand and improve the store's look and user experience.